Hello YouTube, picked up another box from SilverGoldBull. Packaged really well. There we go. So I got a bag of this is Canadian silver coins, $1. They all appear to be dimes. 80% silver. Blue nose. Now I can go through all the dates on them. I'm dropping it all over. Picked up a $1 bag of US, 90%. Let's see, $half. Very nice. $1964, both. Picked up a American Silver Eagle, filling a tube, 2020. Two Canadian Silver Maple Leafs. Also filling a tube of these as well. And this should be a $10 bag of Canadian silver. Let's see. They all appear to be $half. So we won't go through all the bags, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $11 in $half, or Canadian 80% silver. Thank you for watching YouTube, and you guys have a great day.